According to Business Insider Africa, Alexa Collins, with 1 million followers, charges $1,000 for a sponsored story post on Instagram. Meanwhile, Tyler Channel's starting rate is $100 for an Instagram story post because she is a micro-influencer. This is not the only way influencers make money. Today's video will highlight the 5 best social media influencers' marketing strategies to make money fast 2022. Let us begin. Number 5. Product line. The influencer marketing world has transformed into fandoms, like celebrity fan bases. If, as an influencer, you believe that your followers are confident in your work and suggestions, then they would buy products that you have made. Think of it this way: the fans rush to buy every product you introduce to them. Therefore, if you introduced a product you have made, they would be more inclined to buy since you are a trusted source for quality products.
Influencers. Oh, Emma just posted.
Your products must include unique and high-quality ingredients, and they should work with the followership you have acquired. For instance, if you have men in their 30s as your largest demographic, you cannot make crop tops as a line for your fans, and you would be working along the lines of men's apparel and accessories for the mature gentleman. Once your products are ready, you simply inform your fans and ask them to pre-order or go straight to sales. Aside from products like makeup and skincare, one could also sell branded items in their name, representing a bond between them and the fans. Later, we will discuss how to create merch to make money. Number 4. Fan funding. Most audiences might be grateful for social media influencers. Make no mistake, even if your whole internet persona is to look pretty, there might be so many people who appreciate you for that. Therefore, they might want to support you whenever you need their help. Thus, if you are starting a project and need some money, you could reach out to your fans similarly to crowdfunding. For example, Patreon is a creators' membership platform that helps content creators and influencers make money from their subscribers. Fans can pay the subscription fee and get some exclusive content and rewards from their favorite influencers. In addition, YouTube has a tipping jar feature called Super Chat, where fans in the comment section of a live video can contribute to support their creators. Number 3. Merchandise. Every fan base that truly admires their idol would want to wear some designs. It could be their shirts with a favorite saying, the photo of the influencer, or a project name from the social media influencers.
Which is where it's at.
What?
If you host an event, you need to see your fans wearing your merch to strengthen your brand. This technique is also an advertising strategy, as whenever the fans wear something that represents you, they're advertising your brand to those who might not know about you yet. It does not only have to be clothing. You could get mugs, backpacks, phone cases, keychains, and accessories that would make it into photos that the fans would post and tag you in. The design should be unique and speak directly to the average fan of your brand. Alternatively, you can publicize other brands' products at a fee. This is the most common way for social media influencers to make money. However, the money is dependent on the number of followers you have. We will tell you more shortly. Number 2. Monetizing short videos. YouTube in-stream ads stream content from other creators as part of your content. Similarly, Meta has introduced in-stream ads for Facebook and Instagram short videos. Here, your Instagram Reels and videos can have ads streaming while streaming halfway through the ads. Speaking on Instagram Live, Mark Zuckerberg, Meta owner, said, "If we help creators make more money on their content, that will help a broader creator economy emerge, which will make it so there's more content across the services, more ways to connect, and that will be awesome. Depending on how many views you garner, you will receive 55% of the revenue on Instagram and 50% on Facebook. Once you select the video ads monetization, you can start to make money each time you post your content. Here on YouTube, creators like us depend on your subscription to make money. Therefore, if you want to support us, hit the subscribe button." Number 1. Paid sponsorships. For paid sponsorships, one promotes a brand's products and is paid for it. It can happen across social media channels, but they are mostly found on Instagram and TikTok. Usually, the influencer has a large following that the product would benefit. Then, the company contacts you to negotiate a price to introduce the products to your followers. These social media influencer marketing posts must generate sales leads for the brand. On the other hand, if you find a brand that aligns with yours, you could send them a proposal and detail the revenue that an advert from you can generate for the company. If the company finds you a good fit, they will engage your services. Another key point in identifying the right brand is determining if they would work with a micro-influencer, mid-tier, or macro-influencer. To illustrate, a micro-influencer has around 10,000 followers. The mid-tier has over 50,000, and the macro is a celebrity level, like the Kardashians.
I have 18 followers.
Of course, you will fall between the first two. Then you can decide, based on their past hires, if your niche is compatible for a successful working relationship. For our next video, we will explain the concept and secrets of digital marketing for starters. Get ready to make money from digital marketing as beginner. Digital Marketing Explained 2022.